You want design flyers that instantly grabs attention? In this video, I'll show you the exact breakdown of how I created this vibrant welcome back hangout flyer using Photoshop. So stay with me till the end of this video. So without further ado, let's dive straight into the tutorial. Okay, so now this is the flyer. They reached out to me that they want to do a welcome back hangout event. So they needed a flyer for it. So the event is a vibing hangout, vibe and all that stuff. So it's going to give that vibe, that youthful vibe, and then all this party vibe. So yeah, so let me turn off the whole layer from the beginning to show you step by step on how I achieved everything from scratch, from the background to the effects I added, everything, the shapes, so let me turn up this. Don't mind how the stuff is I'll be working the system for so long, so I didn't allow it to rest, so that's why it's a bit lagging. So let me turn off this, turn this. Okay, it's taking time, it's taking its time to turn off. This. This one. Turn this off, turn this. Yeah. Then turn this. Turn this one. Yeah. So this is a plain slate, plain background now. Initially I didn't have any idea of what I was doing, so when it comes to the background, so I had to just bring in this image first, this background image, then start building the background from scratch. I didn't have any idea of the background I'm going to make anyway, so that's how I just do my thing. And yeah, if it works, fine. If it doesn't work, I'll try another background. So I brought in this other background. Let me show you the original color of this. So I changed the blending mode. Let me put it normal, then added hue and saturation to it, change the color by using hue and saturation, so to match with the background before it. So when I blend it, change the blending mode, it's going to blend to each other. So change the blending mode to lightning. Then I brought in this other background. It generally looks like this when it's in normal form. Then when I change the blending mode to overlay, it looks like this. Then I brought in this. What's going on? Okay, this tone paper. Let me turn on the stuff. Turn on. What's going on? It's taking time. Anyway, so I brought in this tone paper. It looks exactly like this, black. So I adjusted the color by using hue and saturation, because to this color I want everything to rhyme with that, with the background. So yeah, for the tone paper I added this pattern background. It originally looks like this. Let me increase the opacity back. Yeah, so it originally looks like this, blue. Then I changed the opacity to 17. and then change the blending mode to darker color, so it will look exactly like this well blended. And yes, luckily for me, I found this welcome back image, this effect stuff, this particular image, because I was planning to just build one from scratch, but to save time and yeah, and to deliver fast, I just use this and then made the whole thing pop out very well, and then just added the hangout font to it. Yeah, and then since it's an hangout party event, I had to bring in some imagery of pictures of group pictures of uni students, because the event is happening inside a university get, so that's why a faculty in the university, so that's why I did that. I brought them in, and then I added a gradient overlay to them at the bottom side, and then yeah, what again, I added this this groovy radio, and then the I brought in one image to sound as the sound wave, to sound as the sound wave coming from the radio, and then yeah, I brought in the necessary things, that is their logo and the name of the faculty and the rest. So I brought it to the top side there, and then I added the lens flare effect around the grouped image. Yeah, like this. I brought them in. Let me show you how it originally looks like. It originally looks like this with a black background, and I change it to screen. It originally looks like this, the color yellow or some gold, so I change it to look like this so that it will match with everything. Then brought in this, created this rectangle shape, created another one to divide it into two, and then I added this small circle because I wanted something like an illustration, and like an illustrated flyer. That's what was my own goal to create. Anyway, to make it something like a illustrated flyer. Then added the necessary dates, the handle, and the rest. And yeah, I think we're done. And then the time. So yeah, we're done. Wow, so fast. And so yeah, that's just basically how I created this welcome back hangout flyer using Photoshop. So if you learned one or two things from this tutorial, why don't you give this video a thumbs up? And if you have not subscribed to my channel, why don't you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I drop another tutorial or even breakdown tutorial videos here on my channel. And also you can check out my other videos, you will learn a lot from them. Yeah, so see you next time, my next tutorial. Bye for now.